Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate email signatures in Gmail with branding, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate email signatures in Gmail with branding, start by creating your email signature. Use a design tool or email signature generator to create a branded signature that includes your logo and relevant contact information. Make sure to save the signature as a .jpg or .png file for easy upload. Open your Gmail account and navigate to the settings by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, select See All Settings. Scroll down to the Signatures section. Click on Create New to add a new signature. Name your signature for easy identification. In the signature editor, click on the image icon to upload your logo file. Adjust the image size as necessary to ensure it fits well within your signature. Add any additional text to your signature, such as your name, title, and company information. Consider including links to your company's website and social media profiles. Once you're satisfied with your signature, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. To ensure email authentication, you will need to set up Domain Keys Identified Mail, or DKIM, through your domain provider. Access your domain provider's dashboard and locate the email settings. Enable DKIM for your domain, which usually involves generating a DKIM key. Copy the DKIM key provided by your domain provider. Return to your domain settings and create a new TXT record. Paste the DKIM key into the TXT record and save your changes. Next, confirm that your DKIM setup is properly configured. You can use online DKIM validators to check if your setup is correct. Finally, send a test email to confirm that your authenticated signature appears as intended. Adjust any details if necessary to ensure all branding elements are properly showcased. You are now ready to send professional emails with your branded signature, complete with authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.